First up, I'm going to add a recorded video to the timeline. The video is a bit long, so I am resizing it. After this, I add a Player 3 effect from the Effects tab. After adding to the timeline, I stretch it to the end of the video. For this video, I don't need glow and texture, so I am going to turn them to 0. The texture is for music tracks in the video, and I do not have any music tracks in this video. For the 3D effect, I am placing a playhead at the beginning of the effect and adding a keyframe on size, rotate, horizontal, and vertical. Then I do the same process for the last keyframe. After this, I select the first keyframe and decrease a bit of rotation and increase the size of the video. I display the desired part of the video by using the horizontal and vertical options. The effect is too slow, so I am going to change the position of the keyframe and stretch the video and effect towards the keyframe. Then I select the last keyframe and set its position by using size, rotate, horizontal, and vertical features. That looks cool for me, and I am creating a compound clip by selecting the video and the effect. The effect starts with an animation. I don't need it, so I am clipping that part. Now I take off the dark sides of the video. For this, I am increasing the scale of the video. The last step is to add a bit of tilt to the video. To achieve this, I am going to add keyframes at the beginning and ending of the video. For the last keyframe, I upscale the rotate position to 2 degrees. And for the first keyframe, I decrease the rotation to 2 degrees. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what CapCut tutorial you'd like to see next.